Hello and welcome. This is the English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I am your host, Lovely. Thank you for joining me today. If this is your first time listening, please remember to click like and subscribe so you never miss an episode. Today, we talk about a very big problem for every new English speaker. What is it? Translating in your head. When you try to speak, you translate from your first language to English, word by word. This is slow. This makes you feel nervous. Our goal today is simple. We want to stop translating. We want to think in English so you can speak English confidently. Are you ready? Let's learn 2 great tricks. The first trick is this. Do not think about the word. Think about the picture. When you hear or read a word in English, your brain wants to find the translation in your first language. This step makes speaking slow. We must skip this step. Instead of translating the word, you should see a mental picture. A mental picture is an image in your mind. Let's try. I will say an English word. Do not translate it. Just picture the object. Ready? The word is coffee. What do you see? You see a brown drink, maybe a warm cup. You see the mental picture. You did not translate the word coffee. Good job. Let's try another word. This time I will give you a pause to make your picture. The word is chair. Did you picture a chair? A chair for sitting? You are doing great. This is the goal. When you learn new English vocabulary, always think about the picture, not the translation. Remember, picture first, speak fast. Our second trick focuses on fluency. Fluency means speaking smoothly without many pauses. How do we become fluent? We focus on phrases, not just single words. A phrase is a small group of words that works together. Speaking in phrases is much easier than translating one word at a time. Beginners often translate words that cannot be translated literally. It causes confusion. But a phrase always sounds correct. Let's practice a phrase that you can use many times every day. The phrase is, I need to. Repeat after me, I need to. This phrase means you must do something. It is very useful. Let's listen to some examples. Focus only on the phrase, I need to. Example 1, I need to go home. I need to eat lunch. Example 2, I need to call my friend. I need to check the time. Now let's try an interactive exercise. Listen to a short question and then answer using the phrase, I need to. Question, are you hungry? Your answer could be, yes, I need to eat lunch. Let's listen again. I will pause for your answer. Question, are you hungry? Listen to the full exchange again. A, are you hungry? B, yes, I need to eat lunch. Let's try another one. Question, are you tired? Your answer could be, yes, I need to go home. Listen again. I will pause for your answer. Question, are you tired? Listen to the full exchange again. A, are you tired? B, yes, I need to go home. When you learn the phrase, I need to, you learn it as one unit. You do not translate I, need, and to separately. You learn one smooth phrase. By learning complete phrases, you use them automatically. You stop translating individual words in your head, and your English gets faster. This week, let's focus on these 2 tricks. First trick, when you learn new English words like table or door, use a mental picture. Skip the translation step. Second trick, use phrases like I need to. Say them many times. When you learn phrases, you stop thinking like a translator and you start thinking like an English speaker. This takes practice, but I know you can do it. Every day, you are making progress. Speaking English takes time and patience. Be kind to yourself. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Remember to subscribe for more friendly, simple English lessons. I'll talk to you next time. Goodbye for now.